Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I just wanted to share something else today. I'm going to attempt to start a short morning devotional for anybody who is interested. I'm going to try to keep it within a 2 to 5 minute parameter, and I just want it to be something that's helpful and inspirational to people. I'm just going to read this first paragraph here from this book, Steps to Christ, and then I will say a little bit about what it means to me. Nature and revelation alike testify of God's love. Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, and of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. Think of their marvelous adaptation to the needs and happiness not only of man, but of all living creatures. The sunshine and the rain that gladden and refresh the earth. The hills and the seas and plains all speak to us of the Creator's love. This right here is part of where I get my ideas about gardening. Everything is associated, the physical and the spiritual. In nature, we can find all sorts of lessons, not only just in gardening, but out there when you're hunting, fishing, hiking, having an outdoor adventure, as Yankee would say. Each of these things are interconnected, and each one affects another portion of our life, whether it's physical, spiritual, emotional, mental, and we have to bring everything into balance with one another. That's probably what is the most difficult thing for me this time of year, simply because I like to be warm. I don't get out as much. In the spring and summer and fall, I always go on a daily walk, and during the winter, it's difficult, because if you go on a walk, you got to have, especially around here, something to keep you steady, because there's often patches of ice. But this brings me hope and courage, because even though there's a winter, there's always a spring and a summer and a fall. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment. And if it has helped you in some way, please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.